Hi, it's Tally, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up and making use of Bravo's Auto Discounter. Our discounter allows the price of manually selected general merchandise items to be automatically discounted at a certain percentage every set number of days. The system will discount the item for 4 periods automatically, and the percentage used for the discounts is compounded, meaning that the percent discount is always applied on the newest price. For example, if the starting price is $389.99 and the category is configured to discount 20% each period, the first discounted price will be $312, the next discounted price will be $250, the third discounted price will be $200, and the final discounted price will be $160. Note that prices are always rounded down to the nearest dollar when using aged price discounts. The price of the item will remain at the final discounted price until an employee either reprices that item or prints a new tag. When reprinting an age discount tag after the last discount period has passed, the system will print a new tag with 4 new dates and 4 new discounted prices. The starting price on the new label will be the last discounted price from the previous label. From the example below, the new price will be set at $160 and discounts will be applied to that price. The new tag will print on a special label using a third zebra printer that should be named Special Labels, no space in between. Let's jump into configuration. From the Bravo dashboard, select System Configuration, and on the tab labeled Estimator, navigate to Aged Discounts. Discounting is done by the general merchandise category. Within this tab, the percent discount, 0 to 100, and period length in days, 0 to 365, can be set for each separate category. If either the percent discount or the period length is 0, then the aged price discounts will be disabled for this category. Within Bravo, the price will automatically be adjusted on the correct date so that when an item is added to a transaction for sale, the correct price will appear without having to manually discount it. To enroll priced items into the auto discounter, start by selecting Inventory from the right menu bar. Now scan or enter the inventory number of the item you'd like to add to the auto discounter. Select Edit. Now choose Item Detail. A new checkbox is displayed towards the bottom that reads Aged Discounts. Uncheck or check this checkbox to disable or enable age price discounts for this item, and then choose OK. Now select the Accept button to add the label to the Print Tags queue. This feature is best coupled with Bravo's ad hoc reporting capabilities for aged inventory found in the Inventory drop-down menu to the right. Now for some additional notes, Age Discount Scheduler is not available for jewelry items, except for watches. SKUs are not eligible for aged price discounts regardless of the category. Aged price discounts will be disabled for any item that has a sale price in the system. And the age used in the aged price discounts is based on when the item was last priced. That's it. For additional information or to get Auto Discounter enabled for your store, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.